easy go.
Hello everyone, my name is Sari Bansal. Today we will understand exercise 1.3. So let's begin. The first question is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So there are two types of decimal expansions. First, terminating, and the second one is non-terminating recurring. We will understand these decimal expansion in the exercise. So the first part is 32 upon 100. We will write it in decimal form as 0.32, right? If there is any remainder, no. The quotient is repeating its digits, no. So if quotient is not repeating its digit and there is no remainder, then the decimal expansion is terminating. Okay. Now coming to the second part. 1 upon 11. We have to divide it. Let's check. 1 point and again 0, 0, then 9. So the dividend and the remainder is same. It means dividend is come again, and if dividend is coming again, then the quotient must repeating its digits. Okay. If you don't understand, we will do it. So 9. See, again 1 has come. It means dividend is coming again as remainder and quotient is repeating its digits. So we make a symbol on the repeating digits in the quotient. So this is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Okay. Now coming to the third part. 4 1 upon 8. Let's change it into improper fraction. Now divide it. 4.1 to the point, then 2, 16, 4, 40. So there the remainder is not, means, and the quotient is not repeating its digit. So the answer is terminating. Okay. Now coming to the fourth part. 3 upon 13. Let's divide it. 0. 39, then 1, 10, then 0, 7, 91, 90, 6, 8, 120, 9, 7. So the dividend and the remainder comes again. The dividend comes again as form of remainder. So the quotient must repeating its digit. It means this is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Okay. Now coming to the fifth part. 2 upon 11. Let's divide it. 11. Oh, I'm sorry. 11, 2. Then 0.01. Then comes 9. 0. 8. the dividend comes again in remainder, and so the question must repeating its digit. So this is non-terminating recurring. Okay. Now the last part is 329 upon 400. Let's divide it. 9, 0 point, then 8, 3290, 32900, 90, and 2, 800, 1000, 2, 800, 5. So there is no remainder, and so the question is not repeating its digit. So the answer is in terminating. Okay. So we have completed our question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. So the question number 2 is, you know that 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7 are, without actually doing long division? If so, how? Yes, we can do it without doing long division method. Let's see how. So we have given that 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857. Okay. We have to find 2 upon 7 first. So how we can find it? We can multiply 2 into 1 upon 7 to find 2 upon 7 decimal expansion. So 2 into 0.142857. Okay. So the answer is 0.285714. Okay. Now the second part is 3 upon 7. Again 3 into 1 upon 7 is equal to 3 into 0.142857. The answer is 0.428571. Okay. Now third part is 4 upon 7 is equal to 4 into 1 upon 7 is equal to 4 into 0.142857 is equal to 0.571428. Okay. Now fourth part is 5 upon 7 is equal to 5 into 1 upon 7 is equal to 5 into 0.142857. Okay, the answer is 0.714285. Okay, now the last part is 6, 6 upon 7. 6 into 1 upon 7 is equal to 6 into 0.142857 is equal to 0.857142. Okay, this is the question number 2. We will understand left questions in next video.